Hello, welcome to my channel, or back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be going over, I guess, fake Littlest Pet Shops I got. I know, I got fakes, but I got them, intentionally. I got the kind of fakes that kinda are, like, on Amazon, or eBay, or even AliExpress, but basically saying that they're real or whatever. But, I'll make sure to put the, shops I got them from below, or direct links to the actual sets I got. I ended up getting them because I've been, like, staring at these, like, few, I guess, harder to find LPS, but fake versions, and I saw they kind of went, like, $3 on sale, which isn't much, but I'll take any little bit I can get off. So, yeah, I ended up getting them. So, yeah. Let me go get them. Okay, one thing I did want to point out is that both the packages were from different sellers, but when it came from, like, LPS shop or whatever, I can't show it all with, like, this weird cat on it or something. So, let me explain why that's kind of weird. So, sorry, before I get right into them. Basically, my main concern is when I purchased them, it wouldn't let me do combined shipping, and these cost, I think, $5 each for shipping, which for the size of the packages, $5 should cover it, but, and I also got this, which I got with my last, package, which, basically, it's, you make a video on what you get, and they'll send you a LPS, which is, you know, kind of what I did. I'm not promoted or anything, but I'll show you. I ended up posting a video about the little custom ones I got, and I ended up getting this guy. They asked for which one I wanted, and I got this guy literally sent to me for free, and got this little bow, so yes. I sent it to I think I sent it to this one, unless they added that, but I try contacting this first. If that doesn't work, they also have an Instagram. When I first did it, they didn't reply to the email, so I just contacted them through the Instagram, and everything was good after that. So, yeah, if you end up buying from them, go claim your free LPS if you get one. Alright, so I'm gonna get into these now. I think the numbered ones are the LPS, and then I still have an extra thing as well. Then overall, just, I'll look at the packaging, so scan that for a free toy, I guess, and a little Christmas stuff. Really cute packaging, but yeah. They also have an Instagram. They have a few different shops, but I think that's their Instagram. Yet again, not a promotion, but just showing if you guys want to buy these. I do not gatekeep. So inside here is one of my Littlest Pet Shops all wrapped up. Okay, so one thing I just noticed right off the bat, its head does not want to stay in the center. There we go. So I got this Ferret right here, based off of the, you know, Ferret. I don't know what number it is. But they are very expensive right now, and I did not feel like paying, I guess, like $50 around there to get this. So I ended up getting a fake. I know, disgusting and sad, but it's really cute either way, even if it's not authentic. But, yeah. If they want to make more G7 pets, make some ferrets. And please just give us a like official G7 Savannah from LPS Popular. I cannot remember LPS like names, like numbers, not names. I don't know how people remember them by numbers. Like I gotta look them up. But yeah, pretty cool. I do not have the real one, so I cannot compare them, but I can compare sizes, which my custom is also made from a Comic-Con fake, so yeah, that's size comparison. On to the next one. It's in this little blind bag. This one's just loose. Come out. So here we got a little husky pup. I believe I got this one with a 3-pack. I didn't specifically want this guy, but I wanted the other 2 pets that came with him to customize. So I'm also gonna customize this guy, because I believe I already have one, but like actually authentic. But I don't know. I try not to collect fakes unless I literally cannot get a hold of the real ones. But yeah, really cute. Looks good for a fake, but definitely. One way to tell fakes is the hard head. Something about the bobble is even stiffer. It's just not as loose. And just overall, the paint quality for the most part sometimes looks too good, if that makes any sense. But yeah, my advice is not for every single fake out there, because sometimes that info is not accurate. Okay, this package is very confusing right now because I ordered them from 2 different shops, and I swear they're literally the same shop because they like intermixed my packages. So the next one, which I thought would be in the other package, get out of the way, is this fox that they just made a fake of, which almost all these like fakes are literally just random LPS that are super expensive for no reason. So yeah, I mean, looks really good. I never had a real one, so yeah. I am noticing, like, it could be my lighting, but even in person, the purple doesn't look as bright. I'll put a picture of the real one next to it. It looks very faded. But yeah, here's the bottom. And also has like numbers on the side. And then it's got like the printing, or I don't know what you call that, the copyright. It says 2027 for Hasbro. So yeah, I'm happy with this one. It does, I don't know, it looks off right now, but I could be remembering what it looks like. But yeah, these are the 2 literally why I bought these. So I have no idea what is in the rest of the packages besides I think 2 other ones I ordered, but they were in 2 separate orders, so very strange. So I got one more in the package. I don't think this is an extra. There's one of the ones I ordered. So this one I believe also came with the fox, I believe. I'll show a listing of all the ones and also put them in the description, the direct ones I bought. Oh my goodness. This one's tiny, real tiny. Next to the husky, it is very tiny. I don't ever really remember seeing an authentic one of these, but judging by if there's a fake of it, it's probably going up in price or something. But yeah, really cute. Okay, now for my next package, which I only ordered one other thing, so I have no idea what the heck is in here. I believe the only other thing I'm looking for is a type of wolf cat. So I'll go through what I got. So I got another scarf, I got a necklace, I got one of these little cups, got a bow, and ice cream. For some reason I always see, like, in the advertisements, the little ice cream thing like that, but well, I know if I need more accessories, where I know where to go to now, so that's cool. Extras. Then I got another sticker sheet along with, I imagine, another, like, thing. I'm gonna open it up. Okay, so this actually came with 2 sticker sheets. So this one was the same as before. Here is another one. And I did not check like an idiot. The other one I got also had more on the back. But yeah, so I got 3 separate little sticker sheets, which I have a few doubles now, so I am going to include those in some packages for you guys if you purchase from me. And also LPS as low as 99 cents. I want me some LPS for 99 cents. I swear I checked their shop. I do not remember any being that price, but I haven't checked. I purchased them through eBay. And then here is the card. And same thing as last time. I guess this is printed. The last time I swear is handwritten, but yep. That's cool. Alright, so one of these... Okay, I got 3 separate things, so I only ordered, I swear, like, one other one, so I don't even know which one to start, like, which one would be the one I ordered, so I'll pick this one. Okay, so the red one did have the wolf cat I was missing from the other package, which is very strange. I don't know how that happened. I guess they just go by weight or something. I have no idea, but here is the wolf cat that I believe came with the husky. Oh wait, oh okay, I just realized I'm missing another husky because I'll explain what I need that husky for. But I do not have an authentic version of one of these either, so I mean, this looks really good quality besides like the hard head. And I did not know they had like painted fur on the sides. This is a really cute pet. I was originally gonna use it to make a custom out of, but since I don't have a real one, I'm just gonna hold on to him and make him a part of my collection. He's adorable. So cute. My goodness. I cannot customize this little dude. I didn't even order him for, you know, my collection, but I'm really growing fond of him. He's adorable, and I love these little, like, fluffy things on each side. It's really cute. So on to whatever else is in the other ones. I swear if I like, have 2 more pets that I ordered and I'm just, like, thinking improperly, that's probably... Wait, there's another one? So there's another husky. I guess I ordered another husky. I don't remember. I probably did. So I got 2 huskies. Well, now I gotta do a custom with one of them. But yeah, I guess I did. Now I'm thinking about it, like, my brain is scrambled, but the fact they are in different packaging kind of threw me off. But got 2 huskies, basically the exact same pet for the most part. At least their paint jobs are pretty on par. I think the official LPS should just partner with them and just make actual, like, real LPS at this point and just sell them in stores. Like, I have no idea how they haven't been shut down also by, like, Hasbro. I have no idea how that works, but, you know, I didn't say anything. Now on to my last one. This little pink packaging. I love their custom packaging. Alright. Here's my last one, and I swear I have an authentic one of these, but I'm not going through the bins right now. So this guy right here, whatever. He is going to be used for a, collab I'm in right now. So that will be probably shown in the future, at least on my Instagram, but I don't know if I'm gonna make a video on him. Probably be in one of my custom videos of what I am going to do with him, but he's gonna be a part of a collab. I'm actually in 2 collabs right now, so they're gonna be 2 collab customs coming out. I don't know if you can hear that, but like, very like loud spring. It sounds like an old man, like his bones. It's so quiet, I don't think you can hear that, but yeah. So this is all the junk I received that I think was definitely worth it. I overall didn't think I'd get all this extra stuff, which is pretty cool. And, I don't know, instead of buying, like, actual authentic ones, like, I definitely think I got my money's worth right here. Like, I really love the stickers. Like, I'd literally just buy the packs of stickers by themselves. Like, they're really cute. And they're also, I'm pretty sure, all, like, laser cut around them. So they're really nice quality stickers, and, yeah, if they make stickers of these guys in the back, I would totally buy them because I love them. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Please let me know what you think. And, would you guys consider buying these little dudes? Because of how much the authentic ones are going for, I definitely have to go for the fakes sometimes. Even with, like, main 5s, like, I can make a whole list of, like, LPS that I really want, but are super expensive, and I just recommend getting fakes at this point. But, yeah, I enjoyed all these little dudes. I definitely think I got my money's worth in the end, so, yeah, if you need tons of accessories, you know where to go. But thank you for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'm out of here, goodbye.